So hello friends, in this video we will be talking about disparity between girl and a boy. Why is there disparity between girl and the boy? So let's get started. So first, let us talk about what is the role of a boy and a girl in the society. So as we know, if there is a boy, he will have his strength, body strength, he will go outside, he will work hard, and he will mostly look after to those works which are based on a strength and which are the work of outside. On the other hand, if there is a girl, it is considered, or we take it as, girl will do only household stuffs, as she doesn't have more strength in her body, so she cannot do more lifting work or strengthful work. This has been, you can say, consideration of the society for a man or a girl. Now, let us figure out what is good and what is bad in this. What is good and what is bad in this explanation? Should we go as it is going on, or we have any concern, or is there any false statement that you or me want to remove? So according to me, the explanation that I have given a minute ago was right somewhat in today's era as well, but actually this comprehension is based on old days comprehension, right? Today it is not required to have more strength in a girl and also in a boy, because in these days in which we are living in, we are required education, more education, which is not mostly based on physical work. So as we know, it is an AI generation, as we know, it is an technological era where we just need to have education enough to work on any work. So it is not good to say for a girl that she will do only household stuffs. Now girl can do anything which a boy can do. So here this statement also says if we should not also think about a girl, that girl after getting married, she will go away from her parents' house to others' house, right? After getting married, everyone goes, especially girl. Only girl, I will say. You also know, but it happens in some other states. There are also rule ke boy will come to girl's house and he will stay throughout his life, in girl's house. Now I will also touch a point. I will also touch a topic which is related to this topic. कि why do we prefer a boy rather than a girl? According to me, as far as I have seen in the society, or as far as I have monitored activities of the parents for the girl, that they have to consider, they take it as if if I have a girl, it means if I have a daughter, I will have to spend a lot from the beginning to the end, and in eventually she will leave the parent house. So they consider it like, then why should we bring up a girl? Rather we bring up a boy, because he will not go anywhere eventually. So here, this is my point of view. Then why do you say this? Okay, I love my daughter or a son, right? Why do you say this? That I am not saying this is happening only in poor family. It is also happening um, in higher caste family, or who are privileged enough, who are rich. They also think like this. Okay, we love my daughter. I love my son. Then we should avoid these things, right? So this was the topic for today. I hope you love this topic, and there are so many things to there are so many things that I can we can talk on this, but I had to make only for 5 minutes or 6 minute videos, so I think it is enough to explain this much. Hope you love this video. Hope we meet again.